Welcome back everyone, Jim here. Well, I've got one of the piers in, and like I said, it's a 5-foot tall pier, and I want to make sure up here in Maine I'm going to be at least right around 4 foot deep. That way I'm pretty assured I'll be below the frost level. And the height of this, the height of the top of the pier is not so much an important factor for me. What I'm concerned with is making sure that this one here and every other one is in a straight line, so that when I put the beams on them, the beams will be in a straight line. I've got the building's 48 feet long, and I'm going to put one of these every 6 foot. So 6 times 8 is 48. And I've got 2 rows on the gable edges of these to put in, and then down the middle I've got some others. So stay with me, I'll show you how I did this. Right now it's just a flat hole. The dirt is somewhat gravelly, and it's setting down in there. I'm going to pack the dirt in around it, making sure that it's, you know, level. And then I'm going to set up a theodolite over the top of it to help me with lining up the rest of them. So stay tuned. I probably won't show you every single thing I do, but it'll be pretty close. They end right down there where that stick is, and we will be putting them right along this orange line. And now the way I've chosen to do it is I've got this theodolite set up, and it is set right over the hole of the first one, and it's zeroed out to track right along that line. So when I put the next one in at 8 feet away, it should be right on the center line. And as far as the height and the ground, I'd like to put it lower than this one. This is the one we started with. At least this height or lower. And the distance to the bottom of the beam can be made up in the 6x6, depending on how tall or short we cut it. So if this pier is not perfectly at the right elevation height-wise, we make it up with the 6x6. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is the third one going in, and she's in a straight line. She may not look it, but they're all coming out fairly level. As the ground slopes down, I'll probably drop them down a little bit, but it's all pretty close so far. Okay folks, so here we are back. We've got all 7 of them in, and they came out pretty close. And like I said, it's not important that they're all level across the top, because I'm going to use a beam that goes across, and I'll level the beam up. Yep, 7 of them. Alright, well that's how I lined them up. I'm not sure how other people do it. But like I was saying, the highest corner's up by the tripod. I will put a 6x6 block on there. Over here the 6x6 is probably going to be up like this, and so I'll have to fudge in whatever height. That's why I'm not that concerned with how high these are, but they are in a line, so that's the most important thing. So thanks for watching, and I hope you come back. We're going to put in some more piers probably in another video for too long, and once we get the piers all in, then we'll start putting the beams. Thanks for watching.